Hi students, in earlier session of integral calculus, I discussed the reduction formula of sine to the power of integration of sine to the power of nx dx and integration of cos to the power of nx dx and its related problems. Okay, so in this session, I would like to discuss one more interesting reduction formula for integration of tan to the power of nx and integration of cot to the power of nx. Okay, so let us see what is the reduction formula for tan to the nx dx. As obtain reduction formula for integration of tan to the nx dx, and also if in is equal to 0 to pi by 4 tan to the nx dx, have to show this result n into in plus 1 plus in minus 1 is equal to 1. As to prove this result, so let us consider the function integration of tan to the power of nx dx is, so you take that integration of tan to the power of nx dx is in. So let integration of tan to the power of nx dx is equal to in, or in is equal to integration of tan to the power of nx dx. Let in is equal to integration of tan to the power nx dx. To obtain its reduction formula, you write this tan to the power of nx dx as integration of tan to the power n minus 2x into tan square x into dx. So which is equal to integration of tan to the power n minus 2x. You write this tan square x as secant square x minus 1. Secant square x minus 1 into dx. So that is, which is equal to integration of tan to the power n minus 2x into secant square x into dx minus integration of tan to the power n minus 2x dx. So that is in is equal to this. So here to, okay, you write this is in is equal to integration of tan to the power n minus 2x into secant square dx minus, you write this is in minus 2. This is because what is in? Integration of tan to the power of nx dx can be written as in. So similarly, you can write this is in minus 2. Okay. So to integrate this first term of right hand side, you take one substitution. That is, put tan x is equal to z. Put to tan x is equal to z. So then differentiation of tan x is secant square x dx is equal to dz. So now in can be written as in is equal to integration of, you see this tan x is z, it is z to the power n minus 2 into secant square x dx can be written as dz minus in minus 2. Okay. Yes, now we have to integrate this z with respect to z to the n minus 2. So its integration gives that in is equal to, its integration is z to the power n minus 2 plus 1 divided by n minus 2 plus 1 minus in minus 2. So that is in is equal to, this becomes z to the power n minus 1 by n minus 1 minus in minus 2. This is minus in minus 2. So that is in is equal to, so what is z? Z is tan x. So z, so you can write it is tan to the power n minus 1x by n minus 1 minus in minus 2. or in other words you can write it is integration of tan to the power nx dx is equal to tan to the power n minus 1x by n minus 1 minus in minus 2. Okay, so take this expression is 1. Again we have to reduce this result. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಐ ಎನ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 to pi by 4 tan to the nx dx. So to the same result we have to apply the limit. Let in is equal to let if okay you write if in is equal to integration from 0 to pi by 4 tan to the power of nx dx. So then in can be written as integration from 0 to pi by 4. Okay, you take its value directly and okay. So what is the value of integration of tan to the power of nx? So this is the value. You take this directly here. So it is tan to the power n minus 1x. It is tan to the power n minus 1x by n minus 1 with the limit 0 to pi by 4 minus that is in minus 2 is integration from 0 to pi by 4, or you can write it is in minus 2 as it is. So now you apply the limit. In is equal to it is tan to the n minus 1 pi by 4 by n minus 1 minus tan to the power n minus 1 0 by n minus 1 minus in minus 2. That is in is equal to tan pi by 4 value is 1 divided by n minus 1. This is 1 divided by n minus 1. Tan 0 is 0 minus in minus 2 Okay, take this in minus 2 to left hand side ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ in minus 2 na. So then it becomes in plus in minus 2 is equal to 1 by n minus 1. So actually this is not the desired result. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು n ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So to make it is n, ಇದು n ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ this should be n, ಇದು n ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇದು n ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ we have to replace n by n plus 1. Put n is equal to n plus 1 here. Put n is equal to n plus 1. Put n is equal to n plus 1 in above result. Above result we get that in plus 1 plus in plus 1 minus 2 is equal to 1 by n plus 1 minus 1. This plus 1 cancel with minus 1. Okay, so then in plus 1 plus in minus 1, so plus 1 minus 2 becomes minus 1, which is equal to 1 by n. Take n cross multiplication. N into this is in plus 1 plus in minus 1 is equal to 1. Actually this is the result we need to prove. N into in plus 1 plus in minus 1 is equal to 1. Similarly, to obtain the reduction formula for cot to the power of nx dx. Reduction formula for cot to the power of nx is to find the reduction formula for cot to the power of nx dx. You take you follow the same method what we followed for tan to the power of nx dx. Let in is equal to integration of cot to the power of nx dx. That is in is equal to integration of cot to the power of nx can be written as cot to the power of n minus 2x into cot square x into dx. So that is in is equal to integration of cot to the power n minus 2x into, you see, by using trigonometric identities, cot square x can be written as cosecant square x minus 1. Cosecant square x minus 1 into dx. So that is in is equal to integration of cot to the power n minus 2x into cosecant square x into dx minus integration of cot to the power n minus 2x into dx. Okay, you take this second term of right hand side is in minus 2. So that is in is equal to integration of cot to the power n minus 2x into cosecant square x dx minus, you can write this is in minus 2. Again, to find the integration of first term, put cot x is equal to z here. Put cot x is equal to z. So then what is its differentiation? Minus cosecant square x dx is equal to dz, or cosecant square x dx is equal to minus dz. So then in can be written as integration of cot x is z to the power n minus 2 into cosecant square x dx can be written as minus dz minus in minus 2. So that is in is equal to minus of integration of z to the power n minus 2 is z to the power n minus 2 plus 1 by n minus 2 plus 1 minus in minus 2. So this is minus in minus 2. So next step we have in is equal to minus what is z? Z is cot x. Cot to the power n minus 1 x by n minus 1 minus in minus 2. Or in other words, you can write it is integration of cot to the power nx dx is equal to minus cot to the power n minus 1x divided by n minus 1 minus, you can write it is in minus 2, or in other words it is cot to the power n minus 2x dx. This is the reduction formula for integration of cot to the power of nx dx. As by using this we can solve some problems like this. Evaluate integration of tan to the power 6x dx. To evaluate this integral, you take that we know that integration of, or you take it is in, no problem. We know that in is equal to in. To evaluate this, you take integration of tan to the power of nx formula. So without limit. So andre idu you take this is in is equal to tan to the power of n minus 1x by n minus 1 minus in minus 2. So by using this we can find So we know that integration of tan to the power of nx dx is equal to tan to the power n minus 1 by n minus 1x minus integration of tan to the power n minus 2x dx. In this formula, you take this is 1, put n is equal to 6. Put n is equal to 6 here. If you take n is equal to 6 here, so which implies that integration of tan to the power 6x dx is equal to tan to the power 6 minus 1 5x by 5 minus integration of tan to the power 6 minus 2 is 4x dx. So that is integration of tan to the power of 6x dx is equal to tan to the power 5x by 5 minus ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಟು ಎವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಟ್ tan to the power of 4x. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ n ಗೆ 4 ಕೊಡಿ. So put n is equal to 4 in equation 1. So then what happens in right hand side? It is tan to the power 4 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ 4 minus 1 is 3x by 3 minus integration of tan to the power 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2 to dx. So this is by using 1. This is from 1. Okay. So again, integration of tan to the power 6x dx is equal to tan to the power 5x by 5 minus tan to the power 3x by 3 minus of minus plus into integration of tan to the power 2x dx. You can find the tan to the power tan square x value directly, or again you can use the formula. Formula use ಮಾಡೋಣ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? It is tan to the power 5x by 5 minus tan cube x by 3 plus again from 1 take n is equal to 2 here. Equation 1 ಗೆ 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So then it is tan to the power, so what is this? Tan to the power 2 minus 1. Tan to the power 2 minus 1 is tan x. Tan x divided by 2 minus 1 is 1 minus integration of tan to the power 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 means 0. 0x into dx. Close this bracket. Which is equal to tan to the power 5x by 5 minus tan to the power 3x by 3 plus tan x minus, this is tan to the power of 0 means it is 1 dx plus constant. So that is integration of tan to the power 6x dx is equal to tan to the power 5x by 5 minus tan to the power 3x by 3 plus tan x minus integration of 1 is x plus c. That's all. Similarly, evaluate integration of cot to the power 5x dx. Yes, to find its solution, we know that integration of cot to the power nx dx is equal to minus cot to the power n minus 1 x by n minus 1 minus integration of cot to the power n minus 2x dx. As in this one, put n is equal to 5. So take n is equal to 5 here. Put n is equal to 5. So then what it gives, integration of cot to the power 5x dx is equal to minus cot to the power 5 minus 1 is 4x divided by 4 minus integration of cot to the power 5 minus 2 is 3x dx, which is equal to minus cot to the power 4x by 4 minus, to find its value, cot cube x value, you take n is equal to 3 here. So then it is minus cot to the power 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2x by 2 minus integration of cot to the power 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 x into dx. Close this bracket. Now this is minus cot to the power 4x dx, which is equal to minus cot to the power 4x by 4. This is minus of minus plus into cot square x by 2 minus of minus plus into integration of cot x. 3 minus 2 is 1, cot x dx plus constant. Okay, so that is integration of cot to the power 5x dx is equal to minus cot to the power 4x by 4 plus cot square x divided by 2. What is integration of cot x? Integration of cot x is, yeah, it is log sin x plus log sin x plus c. That's all. So like that you can find, so evaluate integration of cot to the power 6x dx and integration of cot tan to the power 5x dx, and one more problem, integration from 0 to pi by 4 tan to the power 4x dx. Okay, so this is the reduction formula for integration of tan to the power of nx and cot to the power of nx. Okay, so we completed the reduction formula for sine, cos, cot and tan. Okay, remaining is secant and cosecant. So in next coming classes I will discuss that topics. Thank you.